If you don't have a plan, how do you understand that you are going in the right direction? If you want to reach something, you have to plan it. In 100% of businesses, you will find a plan, but you don't have a plan for your own life. I think it is 100% strange. This is why I'm making plans for the next year, and you can check my previous video, and I think my English level much better, and it is number 4. Sometimes people have wishes or they just want to get something, but it is not a plan. You can plan to start a side hustle, but you can't plan to make $1 million. Start a side hustle is a plan. Make $1 million is a wish. These are different things. I suggest you write a plan right after you smash a like button. For me, it's comfortable to make 10 events per year, and I always bet something on my words. Because I don't want to just not doing things because I'm lazy or something like this. And that is why in 2019 it was to eat a cockroach, and in 2020 my wife suggests me to clean a cat toilet for a week. And I'm not doing this because it is not my cat. And I think it's strange if I will clean a toilet for not my cat. And here you can see my plans for 2021. First of all, I would like to research evergreen content because it is not really comfortable to make video, and most of them just dying after several weeks or maybe months. Second one, it is next step English level, and I think I will just take a coach or pass any courses or something like this. Number 3 is to test a new formats for YouTube, and I have something in my mind, and maybe you will see it in 2021 because I don't really want to clean toilets. I have idea to start a public account, but not with a huge amount of money. Maybe it will be $10,000 or something like this, and if it will be interesting for you, please write down in the comment section below what do you think about public accounts, because I don't actually own a huge amount of money in the stock market, because I think we will see huge correction in 2021 or maybe 2022. That's why I froze most of my money in venture investments. Number 5, research food, and I think I don't know anything about food, what actually you need to eat, and all about nutrition. I hear that it is not really good to eat cows and you need some proteins. I don't know anything about these things, and I would like to research it because I think it is actually what you eat. Do sport at least 1 time per week, and I think it will be really simple, and I write at least 1, but I'm planning to do it a little bit more. Like in plans for 2020, I planned to research 50 stocks, but actually I researched more than 220. And now I bet to do like 150 stocks for YouTube, and it is 150 because I'm planning to make 1 video with 1 day of relax. But who knows, maybe I will make 600 videos, it is theoretically possible. As a regular, 2 weeks without a job, and maybe it will be 2 weeks without YouTube, maybe I will just make forward videos. And the last one, but I think it is the most interesting, my wife wants to catch a big fish, and I can't plan to catch a big fish, but I can plan to go with my wife to fishing, and I think it will be exciting. And what I really want, but it is in want, it is not a plan. I want to make a 100,000 views video, and theoretically it is possible. I can just buy ads for this video, and I still want to do collaboration video. If you think that it is a good idea, just direct message me in Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I think it is a really good idea to make your plans public, because you couldn't just sit on your ass and do nothing. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye bye.